Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. Here students, in probability lesson that one sums up that we are going to see that is very important for the examination point of view students. So here the question is students, a bag contains 7 black, 6 white and 5 red balls. So here students see the statement, a bag contains 7 black, 6 white and 5 red balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. Okay students, so you have to, for the sake of your understanding students, I am drawing a bag. This is not so good even though I am drawing. So this is the bag students, this bag containing the balls. So here students, it contains 7 black balls, 6 white balls and 5 red balls. Okay students, so it is the bag which is containing the balls. Okay students, now what happens students, this is the first statement that I have represented like this students. A bag contains 7 black, 6 white and 5 red balls. Now 2 balls are drawn random. 2 balls are drawn at random from this bag students. 2 balls has been drawn out. Okay students, 2 balls. Okay students, these 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability? You have to find the probability students. Probability that they will both will be red. 2 balls which you have drawn from this bag students, that will be the red. Okay students, so that 2 balls will be red balls. Okay students, so probability, what will be the probability? What is the probability that they will both be red? Okay students, so red word is very important students. So you know here 5 red balls are there. So here I have you have highlighted the 5 red balls because in question students you have to find the probability that both the balls should be red. Okay students, so students first you have to see total number of balls in this bag. Okay students, so 7 plus 6 plus 5 which is equals to 18 balls. Okay students, total 8 balls this bag is having. Okay students, now you have drawn 2 balls at random. So first students, you know that is total balls. You have to write in examination like this, total balls you have to write in bag. You have total 18 balls. Okay students, now students in second statement 2 balls are drawn. See students, 2 balls are drawn at random. So out of 18 when you drawn 2 balls, so what will be the probability? How many ways you can bring 2 balls from 18? So number of ways, how many ways students? Therefore you are, see here students, 2 balls from the question only students, you have to write 2 balls. 2 balls can be drawn. Okay students, from total you have 18 balls. Now you have drawn 2 balls. So students, how many ways you can draw? So that is equals to, this is equal to students, you have to apply the combination. You have drawn 2 balls, so 2 you have to write below, and out of 18 that will be in upper part, that is 18C2. Okay students, these ways you have drawn the balls. So what will be the number students? What will be the number? How many ways you can draw? So this, when you solve students, that is nothing but 18 factorial. This is the factorial symbol. Now students, what happens students? This is n and this is what r. So here students, 2 ways you are drawn. So you have to write r factorial, that is 2 factorial. N minus r, that is here students, when you minus 18 minus 2, it will be 16 factorial. Okay students, when you solve this students, now you have to see in denominator. Now see in denominator you have 16 factorial. So what happens students, you have to solve this. 18 factorial can be written as 18 factorial can be written as 18 into 17 into 16 factorial. Okay students, now what happens students, these 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, that is 2. Multiplication symbol will be as it is. Now 16 factorial you write like this. Now see students, in numerator as well as denominator you have 16 factorials, it will cancel. Okay students, 2 1s are 2 9s are, and 17 9s are how much students? 17 9s are how much? 153. So 153 ways you have drawn 2 red balls. 2 balls, only 2 balls. Okay students, 2 balls you have drawn from this bag, that is 153 ways. Okay students, so this is the total number of ways you have drawn 2 balls. Now students, that 2 balls should be red. 2 balls should be red balls. So students, so 2 balls from 5 red balls, how many ways you can draw? How many ways students? 2 balls if you want to bring from 5 balls, so how many ways can be drawn? So 2 balls students you are drawing from 5 red balls. So how many ways you students you can write combination, that is 2 balls here and total out of 5 balls. So that will be equals to 5 factorial. Okay students, and 2 factorial, that is 5 minus 2, that is into 3 factorial. Okay students, 3 factorial. Now when you solve students, When you solve this, how much? So this will be 5 factorial. Now 2 factorial is nothing but that is 2. Now 3 factorial, this 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Okay students, because in denominator you have 3 factorial, so you write 3 factorial, 3 factorial will cancel. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, that means how many ways students you have drawn? 10 ways. So 2 balls from 5 red balls, you how many ways you can draw? 10 ways. Now what will be the probability of getting this? What will be the probability of getting red balls students? So we are writing probability of getting red balls is nothing but probability of getting 2 balls from 5 red balls upon 2 balls from 18 red balls. Okay students, that means you have got this is 10. 10 will be in numerator and out of 153 ways. So this is the answer students. Therefore you can say probability of getting red balls will be 10 upon 153. Okay students, this is the answer students. This way students you have to write in board examination. For 2 marks students in board examination these sums may come. So this way students, if you want to get 2 marks, you have to write like this. Okay students, so this way students you have to write in board examination, you will get full marks. Okay students, if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.